Hi, teachers. You might notice that you're starting to get emails from Google Classroom every time a student makes a comment on a post. And if you are co-teaching in more than one class in Google Classroom, then you get those notifications by email for every one of those students in each of those classes. Let me show you how to turn off those notifications. I'm in Google Classroom right now. I'm going to bring up the menu on the upper left-hand corner. I'm going to click on that, and it has um, the list of all of the classes that I'm a co-teacher in, and I don't want to get notifications for these. I only really want notifications for my own class. So I'll go down to, I need to go all the way to the bottom, scroll all the way to the bottom and click on settings. And then under settings, you have notifications. Now you can turn off email notifications altogether if you just don't want to get anything, but that means you won't know if students do comment to your posts if they have questions. But if that's not the way you want them to ask questions anyways, then you can just turn off email notifications altogether. And then you can turn on and off comments for your posts, comments that mention you, private comments on work. Um, and then you can, for classes you're enrolled in, that means you're a student in, then you can turn off notifications for those. For classes that you teach, that you're set as a co-teacher, you might turn on or off notifications depending on what you have. You probably want to keep this one on, invitations to co-teach, just so you know if you've been invited to be a co-teacher for a class. And then this is the big one that you want to turn things off on. So for class notifications for specific classes, these are other classes, and if you don't want to get notifications for them, then turn these off. So these are all classes that I really don't want to get notifications for, because I would get one every time one of these teachers posts an assignment, every time one of their students makes a comment or submits an assignment or turns assignment in late, all those things. I don't want any of that, because once we're up and running with all of our remote learning stuff, that is going to clog up your inbox. So turn off all those, decide which ones of these to turn off as well. And yeah, so that's how you turn off all those notifications for Google Classroom.